the 2026 BBG Sales Conference! Palakpak natin ang isa't isa!
For the breakthrough over 2025, nakita natin kung gaano kayo kagaling. So look at the person to your right, sabihin mo sa kanya, ang galing-galing mo. Napatunayan na natin kung gaano kayo kagaling. You are already good. Magaling na kayo. Kaya naman this year, ang goal natin is not just to stay at the plateau of good, but to go beyond, to be unstoppable, to be legendary! Natin ngayong araw, to be legendary. So when I say be legendary, sasagot kayo ng I am legendary. Subukan natin. Be legendary! Energy na kailangan natin. Ang energy na meron ang team natin ngayon ang nagpapakita sa atin that we are ready to dominate. And to be truly unstoppable, we have to master the tools of the future. Mastering that perfect blend of personal touch and digital speed. This isn't just about apps, it's about how you stand out. It's about how you convert every client into an operating account and how you win the daily sales battles.